Alright guys, we're finally taking out the kayak. I came here last week, but it was all bad. When I was launching, there was a big wave that flipped me over and all my weights fell out, and that was a fail. So this time, hopefully we can land some halibut or some lingcod. All right, so here we go. So here's my rig. I'm using a treble hook, and then on top is a number 2 octopus hook, and this thing slides, so you could adjust it to the bait size. And up here I got a slider, and that's where I'm gonna put the weight. And I'm gonna use a 8-ounce cannonball sinker to keep it on the bottom for halibut. So I hook it on the top, and I like to put the other one right on the head, just like that. And drop it down. So right now I'm just cruising, trying to wait for a halibut bite. I'm using squid right now. And the water's super flat right now. Make sure my drag is tight, because I'm trying to stay over this rocky part, or make sure I didn't drift away. So I'm just gonna keep heading this way. There's a fish. I think that's a fish, unless I'm snagged. Oh. Yeah. Nice rockfish. I'll keep this guy. Put this guy on the stringer. Oh crap, I reeled up an octopus. Oh, that's some good, it's some really good bait right here, man. If I could drop this down. Oh, let me clean my camera. I'm gonna get rid of that squid and drop that octopus back down. He's getting stuck. He's gonna go. Oh man, come on, come back. He's suctioning. No, come back here. Don't go under my seat. Oh man, he went under the seat. Man, I know octopus are really smart, so the octopus is hiding underneath my seat, so I'm gonna have to wait for him to get out, because dang it, man. I'm just gonna throw some squid back down. Hopefully I didn't drift too far. There's the fish. Damn, is he standing there? I don't think he's on there anymore. Alright guys, so I finally got the octopus. He was hiding, man. Alright, don't move, man. Come on, don't leave. Okay. Oh, no wonder, man. I had no bait on here. Oh, I was wondering why I wasn't getting any freaking bites, man. Put him right there. Okay. He's on there, guys. Look at this. Shoot. Let me see. Look at this, guys. I'm about to drop this down. Come on, this better get me a bite. I've been waiting all day for a big fish, man. something on here. What the hell, guys? What the hell? So I dropped down an octopus and then I got another one. Man, I'm trying to catch a fish. Now octopus. Oh shit. Look at him. This one's bigger than the other one. Oh my god, this dude's big, man. And look at him. Look at this dude. Let's save him. Okay, drop down this dude. Alright guys, so I'm calling it a day. The bite was slow. Couldn't land a handle of it or a lingcod. Couldn't even land it. Not even the rockfish were biting. So I only ended up catching one. One's a pretty small one. And I kept the other octopus. So that was about it. Hopefully next time I can land some fish. Man, what a slow day. Dang it. Alright guys, since I didn't catch anything, or since I didn't really get any good footage, I might as well teach you guys how to tie a slider rig. So what you're gonna need is two kinds of line. Depending on what you want to fish for, you guys can choose whatever you want. And so I'm gonna use 30 pound mono, and lighter line, which is gonna be 20 pound mono. I'm gonna use a heavier line for your main leader, and the one that's gonna tie on the sliding hook, you want to use the lighter line. All right, so let me show you guys how to do it. I like to do about like 3 foot leader, so I'm gonna get a 3 foot leader. Is grab the about 12 inches of your lighter line. About like 12 inches. Alright, so on your main leader line, guys, what you want to do is just slide the hook through just like this. And it should look like this, just like that. And hold the line. Just make sure you hold the line right here. And then with your other lighter piece of line, you want to bring it through the top of the hook. You know, so just like that, and then hold this right here. And with the other end of your lighter line, you want to bring it through the bottom. Bring it through the bottom just like this. And you want to bring it about 1 inch higher than the other piece of than your main leader line. And you want to hold everything in place right here. And you see this? You should have a loop just like this, a big circle like this. And what you want to do is you want to grab the top end and you want to wrap it about maybe 6 to 8 times around this part of the hook right here. Right, see, you got the loop right here, and you want to bring it around all that line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. All right, and then what you want to do is on that taller piece of line, which is the lighter line, you want to pull just like that, and it should look something like this. Okay, so after you end up with 2 tag-ins on each side of the hook, and what you want to do, you want to cut those off. Let me show you guys. Okay, cut the other side. See, just like that. And then now you could slide your hook down. See, now based on the size of your guys' bait, you could adjust the hook to match the size of your guys' bait. This rig is perfect for using live bait. or if you want to rig up a whole squid or a whole anchovy, mackerel. Yeah, it works for everything. Yeah, and that's it, guys.